Hi, I'm Tracey Mason. I'm the co-founder and CEO of House of Saka. We make the world's first and only alcohol-removed cannabis-infused wines from Napa Valley. Our House of Saka Pink is made from alcohol-removed rosé of Cabernet and Pinot Noir from Napa. And our House of Saka White is made from barrel-aged Chardonnay, also from Napa Valley. We're really sticking a claim on the luxury side of the cannabis industry. In the sea of seltzers, we're a true standout as a real luxury play with the best quality ingredients. Our newest innovation is our Saka Spark Mimosa. So this is a sparkling Chardonnay. We remove the alcohol and replace that with mimosa strain specific live resin and natural essence of orange blossom and nectarine. It's a beautiful, beautiful spin on a classic, delicious tasting mimosa-like product with none of the calories and none of the alcohol that you would experience with a real one. We're really excited to be here at the Cannabis Drinks Expo.